People, alright, ja people, blessed love, and I don't know. Very happy, good morning. Alright, thank God it's Friday morning. Alright, so we're there, so in the bathroom, and we are see the work, or some of the work that has been laid down by the tiler. And now, in that track, but me tell the tiler knows do an excellent job in it because me a videotape the work. That's right. Anyway, I can work with it as it is, Yeah, I can work with it as it is. I definitely think them tiler back as could have neater and should be neater. Yeah. I mean, the item also the same thing too. These could have cut more. These could have cut more better than the way they cut, and them could have set more better, even as pieces. But me still have other pieces here. So even me myself, I'm gonna just take them up. Yeah, I'm gonna just take them up. Cause look, this broke. It already feels sharp here, so it already feels sharp here upon the edge. Even though I'm gonna put mat over it, So the main thing out here, so I'm gonna keep a mat over it, around it. This one I feel that bad, but you see, these things are things that you have to cut. Them can cut your foot, Yeah, man, them can slice your foot, your toes, them. Can slice up your toes, them. So, I'm back here, so. Water still a drip out of this. Yeah. So that me there, I'm kind of there, I free up the flange, yeah. Hold on, boom shot. Alright, blessed, I thank the Adam again for watching and everything, alright. Happy good morning, hope that them enjoy the video and the whole 9 yard again. We're still moving along, alright. Boom shot. We need more boxes at time, people. On a real base. See, the boxes, 3 boxes I may have. See how far them carrying I there. See, I may set up the video for the item. See. Alright, so we still have the bottom part and the bottom part. I check the pieces them I have left now. See, because we can fill them in and fit them in some places, especially as I put on the toilet. I put on the toilet bowl. See, so hang tight, boom shot.
It will look much better with a clean tile, with a one whole sheet of tile. We just cut the fit in there, then all them pieces.
My people, alright, my people, ja people, blessed love, and I don't know, Daniel Marshall still there. On this a Friday, in the bathroom, yeah. Try to solve the bathroom, because I need to get the toilet down on the ground, I see. So, I just take up the tile, with the tile that put on laid on, because too much pieces. Too much broke part. I don't want to hold up a broke tile on the floor. Yeah. So, you see me? Yeah. Can't expect for just look for use a carpet or a mat for hide it. So I cut that full one here. Go in nice space. See? Yeah, I cut the round for the flange, make it flat, make it round. See? I just say with them people. See, just send on the work. You the tiling, whatever work, just send it on. I will get it with the tiler. Make sure so the job done good and the tile them lay properly. See, You always have to have the boss man over there. So we might as well just beat and do it since we are the responsible man then. Since it's my channel and on my platform and the item of my fans and my people. Yeah, give thanks. Alright, so I'm measure it up and
Yeah. Where's that? What? Too much pain in the eyes, too much sorrow in the heart, and we don't know where to start. Can't even get a little place to walk. Oh Lord, 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 oh Lord. Cluster, we can't breathe, we need some air in the ghetto. Where is that problem?
man, them installing a whole bunch of them new light posts. We are tell you, we have some metal on the planet, so you know, so them go straight up a constant mode, straight up, right at the market ground. Them a go with it. No, the roundabout. Them a go right at the roundabout. Love it. Jaja is perfect and on time. We give God thanks. We give Him all the praise. Yeah, boom shot. There, stop something. If I'm going along the edges or with the rough edges, I don't need to smooth it off. Because when we're coming up with the ZD style, I'm going to cover it. But as you can see here, so I think we need to move a little bit of this concrete. See, instead of me have to chip this edge again, I'll cut this edge and chip it. Just move a little bit of this concrete. And we just run a straight edge and go along that. So I know how I work. It gets better, my people. It gets better and better. See, yeah, I have to run a straight edge along this line to see where the shower enclosure going to be. Alright, so give me a second. Yeah, man, boom, shot.
Yeah, to the JPS truck, I'm going to do it again, though. Redevelopment on the go, yeah. Daniel Marshall, definite. Wow!
Alright, see what we have to work with. Let me just work it in. We get about straight up now. Let me just cut this piece and send it in there. And then we're gonna cut the flange, cut out the flange. Alright? So bless up. And so hard working. Not change. So then cut we can basically call it get a new tile. But make us see. We cut out the piece and see. Alright, and one more thing, because I know that you guys is gonna see the tile and our film tool still. I stood there and watched it and learn and know certain things. And these saws, don't try to use your one hand and your one finger to turn it on. Yeah, you can do it in all certain space, but it's always best to use a free hand to turn it on, because these knobs, you can say these knobs, as much as the tile thing won't work, you can say these knobs. I know this problem because they have to try to turn it with one finger and the finger twist until
Yeah. Where's that? What? Too much pain in the eyes, too much sorrow in the heart,
take a look.
and we don't know where to start. Can't even get a little place to walk.
I'm going to shake up this piece. Then we're going to get the side. We're going to brush up a little bit after this. Keep going, because this side is not going to shake. It's going to be covered. The little piece here, go back this way. You can cut a little strip to go back this way. This one, no. What about PSP like this for us? See my people. So, now tell the Tyler to just use a full sheet of Tyler, but I don't know. He didn't try to bottle the pieces there, man. Maybe because he couldn't cut the round. Maybe because he couldn't cut the round. Now cut the round and then come back with him saying, cut the round. Watch. Boom shot. So she was a Daniel Marshall pen. For me, far more about like using both. Far we are 10 miles away.
The pressure too hard, no for them away. And no poor people can't find food for eat. No poor, no nice, no poor, no sweet. When the hell me get up for me, might as well go back to sleep. Scary out the road, bloody out the street. Society lock me out and then me want let me in. And me dying inside from me hopes of it. Too much pain in the eyes, too much sorrow in the heart.
You are one of the people. Flange is 7 inches. You don't want to go the exact 7 inches. You want at least, you can use at least a half inch space on each side of the flange. Because the tile will cover that. Alright. You can either cut it square or you can cut it round. But no, cut it round just for the sake of That's what we are going to do. We approach it and cut it round. So I cut off this piece and then cut it. I don't need no word about thing, you know. I'm going to just scribe it wrong. I need no word about thing.
Pain in the eyes, too much sorrow in the heart, and they don't know where to start. Can't even get a little place to walk.
Okay, my people, are still there? Alright. Yeah, man. I'm glad to oblige. Right now, my people. I'm going to buy the trims them so we can start setting them in. Especially upon some of the corners on the edges. And all around us in the shower, around the look, you know that what we have to we offset the blocks. Yeah, all around us, I'm going to put some trims all around us. We need the rest of the ties to go all around the shower, yes. So we just consistently work and do what we can do. With the liquor we have in our hand. The time and I try to make the thing come out as best as possible with good class and good quality. Might as well, Virgin. Might as well. It don't make sense deny yourself for certain things right now at the time. You can see the time. All you have to do is live good and live righteous. And no man is good. Because when you think say you do good, how bad you do it. You can't go back and reverse. A whole bunch of mix up. Damn if you do, damn if you don't. Is it? Yeah. Do or you die. Some way, somehow. You see what I say? One thing we know for lay down or die. Some people don't know for lay down or die. So them keep standing up when the time to lay down and give it up. You see? That is humbleness. Blessed. Alright, so make it see what I'm going with that thing. Alright, so we're going to move over. Alright, so end time. Is that good, bro? I could try, you know. Well, it's shaka, man. I move money back. Broke up tiles. So me think that now, people. See? See what works now. See? If I did have to trim them now, I start to trim them around one of them places. You can't leave it to me put on the other pieces. See? So this is good. This is very, very, very good. See now, people. So I'm gonna finish out the water that area. Full sheet and cover this side. Same thing like this. And then use the pieces them and the here so. And then we have this one here. Go right here.
Hey ladies, it's Ras Hardcore. Super flow. I make you look good on the shore face of life. Embellish to the realest. When me say yeah, for the Ras Hardcore sure. Call ya for the Ras Hardcore sure. Embellish is a Ras Hardcore sure. When I say that the people them want more and more. Oh, yeah, for the Ras Hardcore sure. Call ya for the Ras Hardcore sure. Embellish is a Ras Hardcore sure. When I say that the woman them want more and more. Well, make me decorate the things some more. Add some ornaments and details for sure. Spice up the lights, make them tasty to the core. Go on down to the big superstore. Get some surplus, we're going to get super fast. First thing I got embellish is the Ras Hardcore. The core is deeply seated, so it's time to explore. Cat is for cash, now add sure. That should no spell, Ras Hardcore sure. Sounds good to me, do you want to try more? What about the covenant, boy, you better ignore. Leave the covenant and put ready cure. Oh, when me say yeah, for the Ras Hardcore sure. Call ya for the Ras Hardcore sure. Embellish is a Ras Hardcore sure. When I say that the people them want more and more. Oh, yeah, for the Ras Hardcore sure. Call ya for the Ras Hardcore sure. Embellish is a Ras Hardcore sure. When I say that the woman them want more and more. Oh, tick 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 tick. The song they need something. I think them need to do it with some more ad-libbing. The food they need something. I think it need to garnish with some more seasoning. Boy, the house they need something. Them need to decorate it up with some additional building. The car they need something. Them need to improve on the color and then put on some rims. The club they need something. Think they need to hire the artist sound system. Boy, the girl they need something. She need a remake over fi come back again. When me say yeah, for the Ras Hardcore sure. Call ya for the Ras Hardcore sure. Embellish is a Ras Hardcore sure. When I say that the people them want more and more. Oh, yeah, for the Ras Hardcore sure. Call ya for the Ras Hardcore sure. Embellish is a Ras Hardcore sure. When I say that the woman them want more and more. Now that my name is deeply seated to the core, build me a nameplate and then build me a door. Renovate an office space up on the 20th floor. Turn a space into a studio, I can do my record. Get some furnitures and top of the line computer. Recline a couch with sexy secretarial. Need a sexy female up on the elevator. Just in case we have a disaster. See I'm fixing up the things so there is no gesture. That's when we come a road, everything hardcore sure. Right name, right tune, everything insure. Can't pirate we again, original styles galore. Oh, when me say yeah, for the Ras Hardcore sure. Call ya for the Ras Hardcore sure. Embellish is a Ras Hardcore sure. When I say that the people them want more and more. Oh, yeah, for the Ras Hardcore sure. Call ya for the Ras Hardcore sure. Embellish is a Ras Hardcore sure. When I say that the woman them want more and more. Oh, embellish, super floss. It's Ras Hardcore. this is radical. Step. Alright, step on them with the wedge, like cockroach. Ras hardcore there for them.
Yeah.
Step. Alright. Step if you step and keep it coming, baby. Don't you deny me for your blessings, baby. Needs of royalty, so won't you come and join me? I got the mighty word building me. Step if you step and keep it coming, baby. Don't you deny me for your blessings, baby. I'm of royalty, so won't you come and join me? We got the mighty word building me. Know what you need is for your purity. So come collaborate with me, baby. Don't you hold it back, just lay your blessings for me. I will do for you no other man can see. All them little things that your girlfriend need. When I am done with you, then you'll be so proud of me. Breaking all the rules to show your loyalty. Ow! You are the woman that I need, baby. Step if you step and keep it coming, baby. Don't you deny me for your blessings, baby. I'm of royalty, so won't you come and join me? I got the mighty word building me. Step if you step and keep it coming, baby. Don't you deny me for your blessings, baby. Needs of royalty, so won't you come and join me? I got the mighty word building me. Everybody tell me how you make me happy. Me couldn't see it because it come naturally. No, missy said that you got your influence on me. You must be doing this thing so personally. Cause every time me see you, you no stop tease me. Flaunting with the rhythm where you got to attract me. You putting on a slideshow especially for me. My undivided attention what you get, baby. So step if you step and keep it coming, baby. Don't you deny me for your blessings, baby. I'm of royalty, so won't you come and join me? We got that mighty word building me. Step if you step and keep it coming, baby. Don't you deny me for your blessings, baby. I'm of royalty, so won't you come and join me? I got that mighty word building me.
I'm stepping.
Okay.
I'm stepping.
Okay.
Coming.
Step for me, baby. Step for me, baby.
Stepping.
Step for me, baby.
Stepping.
It's radical.
Coming. Keep it coming.
Oh yeah. Woman, me know you're virtuous and me glad me got you. I know me got you. You what me I go do. No brutalizing, me I go take care of you. And make you know the rest really can do. Step if you step and keep it coming, baby. Don't you deny me for your blessings, baby. I'm a royalty, so won't you come and join me? I got the mighty word building me. Step if you step and keep it coming, baby. Don't you deny me for your blessings, baby. Piece of royalty, so won't you come and join me? I got the mighty word building me. Yeah. Love how you stepping, baby. Keep on stepping it for me, you know?
Yeah.
Step. Alright. Step. Radical. Step. That's hardcore. Step. Oh, you mean? Step, 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 step. Yes, I am. Yeah, yeah. Where's that? What? Too much pain. Too much pain in the eyes. Too much sorrow in the heart. And we don't know where to start. Can't even get a little place to walk. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Cluster, we can't breathe, we need some air in the ghetto. Worries and problems, cause everybody them a feel the pain rotted. Like zombies, and we don't even care about the babies. Program to the system, cause it look like we only live in babies. That can send us your mercy, cause it's not the way I and I live. But only man made problem, I eat away the people them don't rotted. Everybody has two faces, but who don't think them can frighten? Who don't the old burden, I make we live like hygiene and cistern. Too much pain in the eyes, too much sorrow in the heart. And we don't know where to start, can't even get a little place to walk. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh pressure too hard. No for them away, and no poor people can't find food for eat. No poor, no nice, no poor, no sweet. When the hell me get up for me, might as well go back to sleep. Scary out the road, bloody out the street. Society lock me out and then me want let me in. And me dying inside from me hopes and me dreams. Pain in the eyes, too much sorrow in the heart, and we don't know where to start.
On a real basis. Alright, and you can see 9 parts, you still have to put it up. I'm going to put it up good on a real basis, but we got it out. Yeah, my people, it installed. I fill up the tank with water now. So I'm going to flush it on here, let's see. Quiet now, Bubba. Come on, here, man. Relax. Yeah, my people, John Daniel Marshall there on my own project. It's about after 7 going to 8 now. Don't forget, alright, we install the toilet now and the tank. So this is the first time this whole flush history. We hear the toilet flush right now. See, the first time all the house are built. Come like just to sustain the toilet. So we're gonna see if it will work now. You know everything else will work. So yes. Yes. Alright, my people, thank the item for watching. Thank the item for supporting my channel, and thank the item for donating, and thank the item for everything. Continue donating to I&I Foundation same way. Help this Jamaican man to develop my house on a real basis. It's a long time coming. I've been struggling so long with people, trying just to get a little peace and comfort and rest. Nothing but struggles and tribulation and persecution and discrimination and accusation and all this and ism and schism against the good man. But I survived it all. And I end up building my own house on a real base. I could never believe it. I can't believe it all now. But I put my shoulder to the wheel. For God say I can do it. And I say, yes, God. I'm willing, I'm ready. Let's go. And we start move. And up until now, relentlessly. They are them to me I work relentlessly. There's a reason, my people. I can't sit back and comfortable and say, boy, if you lose this strength out of this body, you know, no more chance. You have to utilize it. No. Now is the day, now is the appointed time. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. And I'm glad. Thank the item. Saying it's still not Friday, so come at a great ending of a great day, ending of a great vlog. Thanks for the support. Big up the whole of the item. Every one of the items. Seeing so much names, so much people, so much friends I have with the item is a shame. We're a family. I tell you. Yes. Okay, my people, that's it. See,